नमस्कार, मैं हूं वनिता रघुवंशी.
Good evening and hello to all our viewers. And I'm Gaurav Bakshi.
Head Start is the need of the hour. Conceptualized program for every educated youth, be it in urban areas or in rural areas.
एक कार्यकुशल व्यक्ति जो देश के किसी भी कोने से और किसी भी कला में महारत हासिल किए हो and is prepared to take up challenges and lead from the front.
हेड स्टार्ट एक ऐसा कार्यक्रम है जो हर पढ़े लिखे नौजवान को रोजगार के नए अवसर बताता है, एम्प्लॉय और एम्प्लॉयर के संबंधों को नया आयाम देता है, वो भी आज के दौर में जब भारत उन्नति की राह पर है और सारी दुनिया की नजरें हमारे देश पर हैं.
Yes, it is a dream come true. You sitting at home can look for a better future, more comforts and leap ahead in life.
हम हर हफ्ते आपको देश विदेश की बड़ी कंपनीज में रोजगार के नए अवसर, अच्छी तनख्वाह और अन्य लाभ के बारे में बताते हैं ताकि आपकी जिंदगी बेहतर हो सके.
Yes, you better head start your career and move ahead in life for better prospects.
और आपकी सहायता और मार्गदर्शन के लिए हमारे साथ हैं एक विशेष मेहमान. आइए स्वागत करते हैं मिस्टर मनीष रुस्तगी का, who is VP Finance in Bharti Airtel. Welcome on board, Mr. Rustagi.
Thanks, pretty happy to be part of the show.
So let's head start the show and have a look at the headlines at this hour.
General Motors headhunts Asian regional head to set up base in India.
Lufthansa Airlines invites pilots, co-pilots, cabin crew for their Southeast Asia sector.
Jerry Varghese, manpower exporters and placement giants, call for petroleum engineers and petrochemical engineers for oil and gas conglomerates in Middle East.
Reliance DreamWorks invites film marketing professionals.
IT leaders Wipro invites professionals for the ambitious project in Latin America.
GVK scouts for R&D and construction professionals for this super highway project.
Maruti India Limited calls for middle-level management, operation and automobile staff for their Uttarakhand plant.
ऐसी बहुत सारी वॉन्ट्स और इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके लिए हेड स्टार्ट में और भी हैं, हमारे साथ बने रहिए.
But before we go into details, I want to ask Mr. Rustagi a question. What qualities do you look for in a candidate at the time of his or her recruitment?
The most important part of a candidate is going to be the approach that he has on the interview. Now, this guy has got to be forthright. He needs to understand the job. He needs to understand the job description. He also needs to understand the organization, which means essentially he must have read about the organization much before in hand. He should be well informed about the organization's growth, the organization's position, and he should also understand that when he is approaching for an interview, the interviewer is actually going to ask him the intrinsic value of what he is going to provide to the organization by joining. The potential employee would actually be very well versed with the organization and his own capabilities to understand the realistic chance of being able to fulfill the job that is applying for.
मिस्टर रुस्तगी, आपसे अभी और भी जानकारी लेंगे, लेकिन अभी जनरल मोटर्स का एक फीचर है, उसे देखते हैं और जानते हैं कि उसमें दर्शकों के लिए क्या-क्या है.
General Motors. At General Motors, we are passionate about designing, building and selling the world's best vehicles. This vision unites us as a team each and every day and is the hallmark of our customer-driven culture. General Motors builds a bright future for employees, partners and stakeholders. Making the world's best vehicles can only happen with the world's greatest employees. We win when the customer says we win. Now at General Motors, we invite applications for the post of President Asia Region with master's degree in automobile engineering and 20 years of experience. Vice President Assembly Line, Vice President Sales and Marketing, Vice President HR, Vice President Import Export. With master's degree and minimum experience of 10 to 20 years in their respective fields. Kindly apply with full particulars of academics, work experience and other details to hr@generalmotors.com. For more details, log on to our website www.generalmotors.com.